Hello everyone, it's Amy and welcome back for another journaling on a budget video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make cute little wonky house borders. I saw this, how to do this from Betsy Doodle D here on YouTube, and I saw her do this quite a while ago, but it's so fun, and I'm just back into the wonky houses again, and so I thought that I would just go ahead and show you how to do it. Now what you're going to do is you're going to need a butterfly punch and a piece of paper. And all you do is you just go ahead and punch out your butterflies. Now this is great when you need a bunch of butterflies for something and you're going to be punching a whole bunch of them. Just line them all up with the edge of your paper and punch. And then just keep going until you get all the way across your paper. They don't have to be perfectly spaced. And the closer you get them together, the more little houses you'll have. So there we go. So now we've got our little butterflies that we can use for something, maybe even use on the page we're going to do this with. And then what you do is you just cut them out. I just kind of start at one edge and just kind of cut around the corner. And then you can do, I'm going to just kind of cut these like this, just to get rid of my extra paper. And cut around this corner up to here. And then I'm going to make these that come up between, I'm going to turn these into little points so that I can turn it into like a little tree. Or even another little house. That one could be like a bell tower. And there we go. So now what we have is something that looks like this. Well, that doesn't really look like wonky houses yet, but Dee, when she did it, she saw something. And so what she did was, I'm pretty sure this is how she did it. It's been a really long time, but you just go ahead and draw down on each side of where your butterfly head was. And that makes you a little wonky house. So I'm going to draw down on each side of those, and then I'm going to go around the top. To make it all, the whole thing would be outlined then. So we'll do that on all of them. And it's better, it would be better with a fine point marker. This one's pretty fat. Okay, and then I'm going to do this one too. Just like that. So now this is what we have. And then you can just put your roof on any way that you'd like to. Because they're just wonky little houses. And then I'm going to get a finer point pen, if I can find one here. Let's see. Ooh, I don't know that I have a real fine point. That's a fine point. So, and then just put a little door on here. Let's put a couple of windows. Gotta have a doorknob or we wouldn't be able to get in. And let's go ahead and put some shingles on. And of course, you know, you'll take a little bit more time to do this, but it really is fun and easy to do. And they don't have to be perfectly straight lines or anything because they're just supposed to be wonky. And they just turn out so cute. I just loved this idea the first time that I saw it. And I made a bunch then, and then I kind of forgot about it. And I just started making wonky houses again. And that made me think about this. So I thought that you might like to do some of these yourself. And they make a really nice border. A little clock up there. So there we go. And then like for the trees, just take a green one. This one's a little bit dried out. And like I said, you can do it, you know, put some more color in there to give it some dimension. And of course, I can't do this and talk at the same time. But I just think that these are so cute. And I don't really like how that's rounded off at the end, so I'm going to just go ahead and just kind of trim it off like this, because that was bothering me. And let's give these people some double doors. And maybe a little window like this in the attic. And then just one more. But so go over and check out Betsy Doodle's channel. She has a lot of great videos. She does a lot of really fun stuff. And I really enjoy her company. There we go. So there we go. There is our little wonky house border. And didn't that just turn out so cute and so quick? Now, I made a little flower box here, so I need to put some little flowers in there. And maybe I should have done this on white paper. It probably would have been better, because then I could color my houses and everything. Well, that end of these pens just doesn't want to work. There. So isn't that cute? And then you can put that along the edge of a page. You could put it in your page this way and use it as a belly band. You could put it across the bottom as a pocket, or just as decoration on a page that you don't, you know, you have some other pocket or something on, or you don't want a pocket on. But I just think that those are really cute. They're really quick to make. And then you've got all of your butterflies. So whenever you have to punch out butterflies, just remember that if you just punch across the bottom of the page, put your paper all the way into your punch, and then just move across. It doesn't matter, like here, these two were farther apart, so it left a bigger space, and I got to get that clock tower. This one was really close together. This one was kind of a medium close together. So they don't have to be right next to each other, because that gives you a little space to add something in between. So, but thank you very much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this because they are really fun to make. And it's something that you can just sit down in the evening and you can decorate these houses up all different ways, color them in, give them siding, just all sorts of things. So thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.